Press release. What is press release? A press release is an official statement issued to newspapers, magazines, online publications, journalists, bloggers, or other media outlets. Its primary purpose is to announce something newsworthy, such as a product launch, company milestone, event, or significant achievement, to the media in hopes of generating media coverage and publicity. 10 specific tips for writing an effective press release. 1. Write a compelling, catchy headline. Your headline should grab the reader's attention and clearly convey the main point of your press release. It should be clear, concise, and enticing or catchy. 2. Include a strong opening paragraph. The first paragraph of your press release should summarize the most important information, including who, what, when, where, and why. This paragraph should hook the reader and encourage them to continue reading. 3. Provide relevant details. Provide more information about the news you're announcing, including quotes from key stakeholders, statistics, and any other necessary details that help support your story. 4. Keep it concise. Keep your sentences and paragraphs short and to the point to maintain the reader's interest. 5. Use the inverted pyramid. Structure your press release with the most important information at the beginning, followed by supporting details. 6. Include multimedia elements. If relevant, include multimedia elements such as images, videos, or infographics, charts, to enhance your press release and make it more engaging. 7. Include contact information. Provide contact information for a media spokesperson who can field inquiries from journalists or provide additional information. 8. Proofread carefully. Before distributing your press release, carefully proofread it for spelling and grammar errors. 9. Tailor it to your audience. Consider the interests and preferences of the journalists and media outlets you're targeting, and tailor your press release accordingly. 10. Follow up. After sending out your press release, follow up with journalists to ensure they received it and see if they have any questions or need further information. Communique and press release. Communique is an official statement or communication, usually to the press or public. Press release is an example of communique. Examples of press release. A. Suppose you are the principal of a reputed private boarding school. Write a press release on any topic about 150 words. ABC Boarding School. New Road, Kathmandu, Nepal. Press release. Issued Friday 7 September 2023. Kathmandu, Nepal. ABC Boarding School launches innovative STEAM program to foster creativity and innovation. ABC Boarding School, a premier private boarding school, is pleased to announce the launch of its new and innovative STEAM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics program. This cutting-edge initiative aims to inspire and empower students to become creative problem solvers, critical thinkers, and innovators in an increasingly technology-driven world. The STEAM program at ABC Boarding School integrates interdisciplinary learning, hands-on projects, and experiential activities to foster a deep understanding of STEAM concepts. Students will engage in collaborative projects that encourage exploration, experimentation, and innovation, enabling them to develop essential 21st century skills. We are excited to introduce our STEAM program to our students, said Mohan Chaudhary, principal of ABC Boarding School. By combining science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, we are providing students with a well-rounded education that prepares them to thrive in a rapidly evolving global landscape. Our aim is to nurture their creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities, empowering them to become future leaders and changemakers. The launch of the STEAM program reaffirms ABC boarding schools' commitment to providing a forward-thinking and comprehensive education that equips students with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the modern world. For media inquiries or further information, please contact Mohan Chaudhary, ABC Boarding School. Phone 123456 and 7. Email chaudharymohan@abcschool.com. B. Suppose you are the General Manager of Nepal Airlines. Issue a press release on behalf of the airlines about the cancellation of flights to the mountain regions due to the poor weather condition. Or, write a press release from the part of Nepal Airlines on the temporary suspension of its flights. Nepal Airlines Head Office, New Road, Kathmandu, Nepal. Press release issued 7 September 2023. Kathmandu, Nepal. Notice for flights cancellation. We regret to inform all our passengers that all the domestic flights to the mountain regions have been temporarily cancelled due to poor weather condition, heavy rain and low visibility throughout the country. As the weather of today in these regions is similar to that of yesterday, we would like to inform all our valued passengers that it may take few more days. The cancellation is effective from 20th October 2021 till the arrival of next notice. Our intent is to continuously provide a safe and APT service to our passengers. We are really sorry for the inconvenience created. Our sincere apologies for the inconvenience caused to our valued passengers to cancellation of flights and thank you very much for your kind understanding. For further details, please contact Sanjeet Shrestha, General Manager, Nepal Airlines, Kathmandu. Email sales@nepal.airlines.com. Contact number +is 9770123445. C. Suppose you are the chairperson of your rural municipality or municipality, write a press release meet to inform all the progress made during the tenure. Janki Rural Municipality, Banke, Lumbini Province, Nepal. Press release September 6, 2023. Chairperson of Janki Rural Municipality highlights significant progress and achievements during tenure. The chairperson of Janki Rural Municipality, Mr. Chhabban Khan, addressed a press conference today to highlight the remarkable progress and achievements made during the tenure of the current municipal administration. The press meet provided an opportunity to showcase the transformative initiatives and developments that have positively impacted the lives of residents in Janki Rural Municipality. During the tenure, the municipality has achieved significant milestones across various sectors, including infrastructure development, healthcare and education, environment, and community welfare. Key highlights of the progress made include 1. Infrastructure development. The municipality has successfully undertaken several infrastructure projects, including road construction, water supply systems, and the establishment of community centers, improving connectivity and enhancing the quality of life for residents. 2. Healthcare facilities. Access to quality healthcare services has been a priority, with the establishment of new health centers, improved medical facilities, and the implementation of health awareness programs, ensuring the well-being of the community. 3. Educational advancements. The municipality has focused on enhancing educational opportunities for its residents by upgrading schools, providing scholarships, and organizing skill development programs, empowering the younger generation with the necessary tools for a brighter future. 4. Environmental conservation. Initiatives promoting environmental sustainability, such as waste management programs, tree plantation drives, and awareness campaigns, have been successfully implemented to preserve the natural beauty and ecological balance of the municipality. 5. Community welfare. the municipality has actively supported various community welfare initiatives, including social welfare programs, cultural events, and support for marginalized groups, fostering a sense of inclusivity and unity among residents. Mr. Khan expressed his gratitude to the municipal administration, dedicated staff, and the unwavering support of the community for the remarkable progress achieved during the tenure. The collective efforts have resulted in a positive transformation, making Janki Rural Municipality a better place to live, work, and thrive. For media inquiries or further information, please contact Chhabban Khan, Chairperson, Janki Rural Municipality. Phone number 012345. Email khanchhabban@janki.com. D. Suppose you are the General Manager of Dairy Development Corporation, DDC. Write a press release explaining with the clear reason for increasing the price of dairy products. Dairy Development Corporation. Central Office, Kathmandu. Press release. 24th Baishakh, 2080. Dairy Development Corporation announces price adjustment for dairy products. Dairy Development Corporation, DDC, a leading provider of high-quality dairy products, announces a necessary adjustment in the prices of its dairy offerings, effective from date 27th Baishakh 2080. The decision to increase the prices is a result of various factors impacting the dairy industry and the sustainability of our operations. The primary reason behind this price adjustment is the rising cost of production inputs, including animal feed, energy, transportation, and packaging materials. These essential components have experienced significant price increases in recent months, directly impacting the cost of production for dairy products. As a responsible and sustainable organization, DDC must ensure the viability of our operations while maintaining the quality and freshness our customers expect. Furthermore, fluctuating global market conditions and increased operational expenses have further influenced this decision. DDC remains committed to providing consumers with superior dairy products, and the price adjustment will enable us to continue delivering products that meet our stringent quality standards. We understand the impact this decision may have on our valued customers, and we assure you that we have strived to keep the price increase as minimal as possible. DDC remains dedicated to offering exceptional value, and we will continue to focus on optimizing our operational efficiencies to mitigate future price fluctuations. We value the trust and loyalty of our customers, and we appreciate your understanding and continued support during this time of adjustment. DDC remains committed to meeting your dairy needs while maintaining the highest standards of quality and service. For further information, please contact Sagar Chaudhary, Marketing Manager, Dairy Development Corporation, DDC. Contact number 12345667. Email dairydevelopment@pvt.com. Suppose you are the General Manager of Udyapur Cement Factory. Issue a press release in about 300 words on the behalf of the factory about the delay in product of highest quality cement. Udyapur Cement Factory, Udyapur, Nepal. Press release. 23rd Baishakh, 2080. Udyapur Cement Factory addresses delay in production of highest quality cement. Udyapur Cement Factory, Udyapur, Nepal, a leading cement manufacturer renowned for its commitment to quality and innovation, acknowledges and addresses the recent delay in the production and supply of our highest quality cement. We understand the concerns of our esteemed customers and partners, and we assure you that resolving this situation is our top priority. The delay in production has been due to unforeseen technical issues encountered during the maintenance and upgrade of our production facilities. As a responsible organization, Udyapur Cement Factory prioritized the safety and efficiency of our operations. We undertook these necessary maintenance activities to ensure the long-term reliability and sustainability of our manufacturing processes. During the maintenance period, we encountered unforeseen challenges that required additional time for resolution. Our dedicated team of engineers and technicians has been working tirelessly to rectify these issues and restore our production capacity to its optimal level. We deeply regret any inconvenience caused to our customers, partners, and stakeholders as a result of this delay. Udyapur Cement Factory has always placed the highest emphasis on delivering products of unparalleled quality. We understand the critical role our cement plays in various construction projects, and we are fully committed to fulfilling our obligations to our clients. While we strive to resolve the production delay as swiftly as possible, we assure you that we will not compromise on the quality and integrity of our cement. We are in constant communication with our customers and partners to provide updates on the progress made in resolving the technical issues. Our team is working diligently to expedite the production process and minimize any further disruptions. We appreciate your patience and understanding during this challenging time. We assure you that we are taking all necessary measures to overcome this temporary setback. For further information or inquiries, please contact Jatin Shrestha, General Manager, Udyapur Cement Factory. Contact number 12345667. Email udyapurcement@pvt.com.